Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound just like a man.
And this is the item in question here. Hobby engine excavator. I'm now trying to make metal parts for this machine and turn this hobby engine excavator to a full metal version. But unfortunately, as you're going to see, it's no longer going to be a hobby engine excavator. It is going to be, I guess, my own brand excavator, due to the fact that nothing on this metal version is going to look like a hobby engine excavator. Alright, so I'm about to show you what the makings of my metal version of this machine is going to look like. Yes, I did start out as trying to make metal parts for my hobby engine excavator. So I'm going to be trying to make metal parts for my hydraulic cat. But focusing on the excavator here, yes, it's not starting to look anything, but you know what I am going to do? I'm going to save some time later on in the future. I'm going to make the cover in metal. I'm going to see if I learn how to do some fabricating and get all these lines and the bends and everything pretty much looking similar. I'm not going to be able to get it 100% on my first or second or third try, but I'm going to try and make my own metal body at one time. But for now, I will be using the hobby engine body. I'm going to repaint it. I've seen guys on the YouTube here repainted theirs, you know, to their own specs. But I'm going to show you what I've got in metal right now. Here I started working on the main, or the mast, main part of the arm, all metal. I'm bending it right now. I'm forming the pieces. Had to make some strategic bends in it there to get this part aligned. If you see that, that part there is actually needed to be wider at the end, more stable. Yeah, I got all the pieces and got them cut and bent. There's another piece. This here will be getting bent to go in here, like that bottom piece. And so here's what I have so far. Supposed to be a hobby engine full metal conversion, but there's nothing about this thing that's hobby engine anymore. I'm going to stop calling it a hobby engine conversion. This is a full-on excavator, self-made, DIY, all metal, solid aluminum, everything. Still not done yet. You know, put it back a little here. See how everything is here. You know, the buck is attached. Right. Now here's the undercarriage so far. Alright, now I've got to seal that area up down there. Create a little box. I have to add the little wheels and see how I'm going to get my motor mounted. But that right now is the conversion process. I like the reach on this thing. I'm really going to get to dig some holes. And this is what I've been working on here. Got a lot of more work to do. What I'm going to do right now going to be getting my hydraulics from Magum HRC. I bought my hydraulic track loader from there, and they do have hydraulic stuff at reasonable pricing. And I'm going to install the hydraulic system in to make this thing run. There's quite a few other things I'm going to need to do, but as of now, that's what I'm going to be working with here until I can get my so-called hobby engine excavator turned into a full metal operating system. Of course, as I said, this is no longer going to be called a hobby engine, because there's only 2 pieces on this machine that are parts from the hobby engine. Only 2. Well, 3 pieces. Sorry about that. This here, which is turns the turret, the plastic piece from off of the top, and the other plastic piece off the bottom of the machine. I reuse those. Those are more faster and easier, to replace with the plastic ones that came with the original kit, instead of sitting here trying to mill up perfectly round gears and the process of finding the stuff. But everything else is strictly pure aluminum. Alright? And that's that. Fabricated.
Loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm east